Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a truly moving story that will tug at your heartstrings. We're here at the home of an elderly man who has been struggling to maintain his living space. This isn't just a story about cleaning. It's a tale of resilience, community, and the power of support. An elderly man is a 76-year-old retired teacher who has dedicated his life to educating others. But over the years, he has faced numerous challenges, from health issues to the loss of his beloved wife. Today, we're here to witness his courageous journey as he confronts the overwhelming clutter and filth that has accumulated in his home. As we step inside, you'll understand the overwhelming challenge he faces. What was once a vibrant space is now a labyrinth of memories, piles of old newspapers, neglected furniture, and dust covering every surface. Each item carries a story, yet together they have transformed the home into an almost impassable maze. You know, it's hard to admit that I've let things get this way. I used to love keeping my home tidy, but after my wife passed, everything changed. I just didn't have the energy or motivation anymore. It feels like the mess is suffocating me. I'm embarrassed, but I also know I need help. As we enter the living room, chaos reigns. The floor is hidden beneath piles of scattered papers, old magazines, and discarded clothing. Couches sag under disheveled cushions, while dust motes dance in the dim light. Mice scurry between the clutter, their small shadows adding to the overwhelming sense of neglect and disorder. The air is heavy with a musty odor. This experience highlights the power of community. It reminds us that no one should face their struggles alone. The Cleaning Hero Squad embodies the spirit of compassion, showing us that a little help can go a long way. Thank you all for joining us on this journey. We invite you to see the incredible transformation from chaos to calm. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and updates. Your support means the world to us.